Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a chic episode of Orange English. This is Sophia, your host, guiding you through today's shadowing practice. We are focusing on talking about clothes and fashion in English, a vibrant topic for describing outfits, styles, trends, and personal tastes in attire. Discussing clothes and fashion enhances conversations about personal expression, shopping, and cultural influences. This session is trendy and adaptable. Practice while browsing wardrobes, during shopping trips, on a commute, or in a stylish moment at home. Shadowing is elegant and effective. Listen to my voice and repeat each phrase simultaneously. Match my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as best you can. Mistakes are fashionable. Focus on confident flow and flair. Let us begin. I like casual clothes for every day. I like casual clothes for every day. Jeans and t-shirts comfortable. Jeans and t-shirts comfortable. Sneakers complete the look. Sneakers complete the look. Relaxed style suits me. Relaxed style suits me. Formal attire for special occasions. Formal attire for special occasions. Suits and ties polished. Suits and ties polished. Dresses elegant and flowing. Dresses elegant and flowing. Heels add height gracefully. Heels add height gracefully. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. It matches many outfits. It matches many outfits. Patterns like stripes, fun. Patterns like stripes, fun. Solid colors, versatile. Solid colors, versatile. Cotton feels soft on skin. Cotton feels soft on skin. Wool warms in winter. Wool warms in winter. Silk luxurious and smooth. Silk luxurious and smooth. Denim durable for jeans. Denim durable for jeans. Fashion trends change quickly. Fashion trends change quickly. Oversized clothes popular now. Oversized clothes popular now. Sustainable fashion rising. Sustainable fashion rising. Vintage styles returning. Vintage styles returning. I shop online often. I shop online often. Convenience saves time. Convenience saves time. Sales offer great deals. Sales offer great deals. Returns easy usually. Returns easy usually. Trying clothes in stores. Trying clothes in stores. Fitting rooms check size. Fitting rooms check size. Mirrors show full view. Mirrors show full view. Advice from staff helpful. Advice from staff helpful. Accessories complete outfits. Accessories complete outfits. Scarves add color pop. Scarves add color pop. Jewelry sparkles elegantly. Jewelry sparkles elegantly. Bags practical and stylish. Bags practical and stylish. Footwear matters for comfort. Footwear matters for comfort. Boots for rainy days. Boots for rainy days. Sandals in summer heat. Sandals in summer heat. Loafers smart casual. Loafers smart casual. Layering works in varying weather. Layering works in varying weather. Jackets over shirts. Jackets over shirts. Cardigans for light chill. Cardigans for light chill. Flexibility in style. Flexibility in style. Personal style evolves. Personal style evolves. Inspired by magazines. Inspired by magazines. Celebrities influence trends.